So here we go. Here's Henry in the middle. You can see him. There's all his girls. And way over there is Braveheart and everybody else. But this is my rooster. Yes, he never leaves my side. This is baby Misty. I think I'm his girlfriend, but he just loves me. Hi, baby Misty. Hey. Okay, baby. Show him how you dance for me. Aw. He's a good boy. He's mama's boy. He's so sweet. But he just watches over me, makes sure everything's okay, just like a good rooster. He's a sweetheart, though. Hey, baby Misty. Okay. And, of course, there's my oldest chicken. There's Snooky. Hello, Snooky. Hey, baby, yeah. And, of course, here's the new dog who thinks she's a chicken, or I don't know. Roosters keep her in line. Yes, I know. See if that one matches you, doesn't it? Yes. Anyway, I just think, I wish I could just be out here all the time, but they're only allowed out if I'm out, so. Because we have hawks and vermin and who knows what else. Yeah. Okay, well, it's time for everybody to go to bed. And Raven's looking good. Oh, yeah, let me show you. This is Curly. Hey, Curly. Yeah, she says I'm leaving. That's Curly, but you can hardly even see her skin. She looks good. She got all her feathers back.